The point directly above the focus of an earthquake on Earth's surface is the epicenter. The epicenter is the spot on the Earth's surface right above where an earthquake starts underground. Imagine you're at a crowded party and someone spills a drink in the middle of the room. The immediate splash and wetness are felt at the center, but soon everyone around the spill starts feeling the effects as the liquid spreads. Similar to this, when an earthquake occurs, the initial spill or disturbance happens deep underground, called the focus. But the impact is first felt at the epicenter directly above it on the surface, just like how the splash's effects first reach those closest to the spill. In this analogy, the center of the spill is like the earthquake's focus, and the point on the floor where the spill is most intense, directly above the center of the spill, represents the epicenter on Earth's surface.